So, oh, there's an undie. Oh, okay, bro. Say nada, boy.
Back her up, this shit banging. Some shit is just meant to be. Light appears, so I went and seen. This my life, now it's meant for me. And now I see heights that I'm meant to.
What is good, everyone? Dishy Panther here. Today I'm actually going to be going out in the Fabia Vrs as we are actually doing a Q&A, as a lot of you guys have some questions for me about the Fabia. Some of them are related to the Fabia and some aren't. Massive shout out to the Skoda Fabia Owners UK. We are now sponsored by them. They are the first sponsor for the Fabia, and as you can see, I've just put their stickers on, so we've now got the stickers on the car. So yeah, massive shout out to the owner. He's literally only from Kent as well, so he's the same area as me. So massive shout out to the owner. I'll put their Instagram and the place if you want to buy their stickers. You do have to DM them if you want to buy any stickers. But yeah, go and join the club, go and follow them, as they're going to be a missing part of the channel now. So yeah, first sponsor for the Fabia. It's sick. But yeah, without further ado, let's put the GoPro in the car and let's go for a little drive. We're going to go film some bit, and yeah, let's answer some of you guys' questions for the Fabia. It is a Sunday, it's a nice chill day, so let's answer the questions, and yeah, let's get into the Fabia. Alright guys, so one of the first questions that you guys have asked me is, what made you pick a Fabia? Okay, so yeah, as I said, one of the main questions you guys ask is, why did I pick the Fabia? Now, there's a lot of reasons as to why I wanted a Fabia Vrs. Now, they are absolutely sick little cars. They're very quick for the money that you can buy them for. Obviously, mine was just over £1,000. Literally, they're just the best car for over £1,000, and it's diesel. I've always wanted a diesel. As you know, these chuck out a lot of smoke when you put your foot down once they are remapped. So it's literally one of my favourite things. Once I get all the wheels put on and the right brakes set up, and then we can start modding it a little bit more, and the car will it will come together a bit more. We need to get a splitter kit, etc. for it. It's getting there slowly but surely, but once we slowly build the car up, get it to where it needs to be, I feel like it will be a much better car. I feel like you guys just need to have a bit of faith for me to make this a good car. The Polo doesn't look bad, does it? Come on now. So just give me a bit of time. Once I've had some time to work on this properly, get some other bits done. We need to get the suspension done first, then also get the other bits done to it. Once that is all done, we can then fully send the car to the moon. You know, the travel width will be sent. It will have stage 2, stage 3, turbo stuff on it, etc. I think someone just sweated my channel, but yeah. So it will be almost done. So yeah, let's get into the next question. Thank you for asking that question. Let's get into the next one. So the next question coming in is actually, when are you upgrading the Polo, and what car will you be getting once you upgrade the Polo? Now, there's a lot of cars that I could potentially get next if I wanted to, but I've just been thinking, do I really want anything next, as I already have this car, and then after this car I can pretty much just get anything I want. Like, I can literally just keep this Fabia and it costs me nothing. It literally doesn't cost much to run this car, so that's why I'm kind of debating selling the Polo, and literally that's it, just keeping the Fabia for a couple of months while I sort out what car I want to get next. Once we've sorted out what car I want next, then I can obviously proceed to get that car. I don't know what that car will be. There's a lot of cars that I can choose next. We've got cyclists in the way, which are both taking up a lane. But yeah, so essentially it could be any car next. I'm not too sure either, to be honest, but yeah, it could literally be any car. I do like a Golf R, as everyone knows. The Golf Rs are good cars, and we've also got GTIs as well. This car is so quick, you guys don't understand. But a little Fabia, woo, just listen to that. Traction, oh my god, yeah, this car's mental. So next question is, when are we meeting up? Now, I will actually be doing a massive Skoda Fabia meetup with VRSs. Any Fabias can come to it, and it will be part of the Fabia Owners Club, which is why I'm now sponsored by them. So if you guys go over to their page, make sure you go and follow them, and then any announcements for the meetup will be on their page. And yeah, I can't wait to do a massive link up. It'll be really sick to meet some of you guys, just get to know everyone, learn a bit more about the Fabios, because I don't know enough about them, so I need to learn about them. Obviously, as we do it up, we're going to go along, buy some parts from some of you viewers as well, which will be sick to do as well. I do need splitters, etc., but we'll get to that. We just want to make the car standard and basically perfect for factory, then we can send it. But yeah, so make sure you go and follow their page. Link in the description if you want to go and follow them. All the announcements will be on their page if you want to do a meetup, and when the meetup will be. It will be hopefully end of next month, that's the month after, so it will be before the end of the year. So make sure your car is ready. This car will be ready for the meet. So yeah, just make sure you're following them, get following them, get to know, as you can see their stickers on the back. So get following them and you guys will know more about the meet as we get along with the year. I will keep announcing it and I will keep updating you guys on when I believe the meet will come along, but it will be coming very soon, so just watch that. But if anyone individually wants to meet up, I know a lot of you guys live a bit far, so if you want to meet up, just DM me on Instagram and we can get a link up going. Okay, so the next question coming in is, when is the map coming? Now, so if you don't already know, the car is actually remapped already to a stage 1, so it should be about 170 brake to 100 or 160 to 170. Now, I do want to be sending it a lot more than that, obviously. I will be getting a bigger turbo for it. I don't understand any of the turbos for these cars. I'm sorry, I'm probably going to go with a PD 150 turbo, I believe that's what it's called. So that probably will be the turbo I get. I don't really understand the turbos, they're all just numbers, and I'm like, I understand an IS20 on a Golf, but I don't understand any of these ones, so please bear with me. But if you guys have any suggestions for the best turbos, I don't want stupid power, I just want a little bit more power. Obviously we're going to upgrade the clutch because it's got clutch slip already, so we need to upgrade the clutch, but I don't want the stupid power. I just want a nice little upgrade of power, nothing ridiculous, just a little upgrade, not like 240, something like that I'd be happy with. And obviously I want a lot of smoke, I want hella smoke with this car, like it's gonna be sick. I just found out where I am, and now I know I'm literally near my house. Okay, so the next one's from Archie. Now I do actually know Archie, he's actually a cool guy, he's got sick Fabia. He's actually asking, am I going to do track time, and he also asked about turbo. So I just mentioned the turbos, I don't know what turbo I'm getting, sorry Archie, but yeah, we will learn what turbo I'm going to get eventually. But yeah, light power, little turbo, don't want anything too stupid. And then track time, it would be cool to track this car. I really would like to get this on a trailer, take it to the Nürburgring. I think that would be really cool. I want to get a big spoiler for this. Yeah, I want it to be stupid. This is going to be the stupid Fabia, but it's going to be sick. So I want a big spoiler on it, I want splitter kit, I want everything. So yeah, Nürburgring would be sick to take this car to. I just looked at the speedometer, I was like, oh, okay, that's where we're playing then. Oh, Jesus. But yeah, so track would be cool, but I know you can't have a lot of smoke on track. Well, I don't see them letting you have smoke, so we'll probably have to get a switchable map. I don't know who does switchable smoke maps, but yeah, whoever maps this probably will be able to do that anyway. But yeah, so yeah, track will be coming, long time though. You need to get the car perfect first, but yeah, middle of next year, we'll take it to the Nürburgring, we'll get it on a trailer, hire a truck, because now I'm 21 I can actually hire a car, so that'd be cool. And then yeah, we'll take it to the Nürburgring. That'll be a sick YouTube video actually, so if you want to see that, let me know in the comments. Spam the comments if you want to see this car at the Nürburgring. You literally have to spam the comments, because otherwise I won't do it. Just spam it, just spam Nürburgring. It would need to be a sick video. Okay, so the last question is, now I don't really tell people much about this, but they've actually said, when are you dropping RS3? Now if you didn't know, RS3 is actually a song that I have made. Now I don't do music, I'm not an artist by any means. I'm not going to sit here and say I am an artist, I'm really not. But RS3 was a song that I made in studio with my mate Jay, Jay Supreme if you don't know already. He actually does music, so he actually said to me, do you know what, cheers bro, but yeah, he actually said to me, do you know what, jump in the studio. So boom, I made a song, it's on a house music, it's a house vibey song, so I'll put like 30 seconds of it now. It's not done by any means, it needs to be mixed and mastered, so please bear with me. Yeah, I'll put it in now.
Yo,
I'm in an RS3, blacked out 5-door, can't see me. 0 to 60 in 3.3. What you gonna do? You can't catch me. Try chat on my name, then my boys don't get ya. Try to do that, yeah, I dare ya. Jogging all night, yeah, bro. I'm a graph. That's the RS3. Now I will be dropping it very soon as well. I do want to drop it this year. There's a lot of things I want to do this year. We have a lot of plans with the whole channel, man. I'm trying to elevate it. We're just trying to. Come on, man, get out of the way, man. Oh, bro, this guy, he can literally move forward. But yeah, we have so many plans for the channel. We have so many plans for this channel this year. So, oh, there's an undie. Oh, okay, bro. Say nada, boy. So back to the song. That is the song RS3. I will be dropping that this year at some point. Hopefully you guys will enjoy it. It should be a good one. So yeah. So guys, that has been the video for today. That has been a Q&A with the Fabio. I hope you guys have enjoyed this. It's been a bit of a different video. I filmed it a little bit different to how I normally film these videos. So yeah, I hope you guys have enjoyed it. I've still got loads of diesel in the bloody crap box, in the Chava whip. So I have also just started an Instagram where I will be selling sun strips for any whip, obviously, but it will be mainly for Fabia Vrs. And you will be able to buy yourself a sun strip which is purely just from my channel, called Chava Whip. It'll be a sun strip that you can just put on your car. Obviously it's probably not for the better cars, it's more the little Fabia Vrs, the ENQUIRES, you know, stuff like that, Fiesta, stuff like that. That is what it is made for. So I have actually got some made up, or going to get some made up. So if you want to go and follow the Instagram Chava Whips, or at Chava Whips, please go and follow that. That will help me a lot, so please go and follow that. Actually, yeah, go and follow that. But yeah, so I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Don't forget to go to dsgmods.com. A lot of orders have been backlogged recently, so they're all about a month behind, so they are coming to you guys this month. And yeah, so I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe. We're almost at 10k. I have a sick video planned for 10k, which a lot of you guys have been asking for, so just ready for that. And yeah, so I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. See you guys in the next video.